Let's see what students are learning derivations in school. It's an example of sum of geometric progression which are studying in students worldwide. But the method is math or tricks. Our question is the method is math or tricks. Let's see. The derivation is we have to find the sum of a plus ar square plus ar to the power n minus 1. We have to find the sum of this geometric progression. We have to derive a formula to find the sum. But let's see what's the derivations which are taught to students as maths. See, the derivations begins as assuming sum as Sn. The next step is you have to multiply R to Sn so that you will get ar square, and this is the result 2. The third step is 1 minus 2, that is Sn minus R into Sn. You will get a minus ar, because all these terms are cancelled, remaining is a minus ar to the power n. Finally, Sn is common, 1 minus r is equal to this, and finally you will get answer as Sn equal to a into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. Is this math or a tricks, bundles of tricks, by-hearted? It is a pure by-hearting method and needs to requires by-heart several tricks, otherwise you won't get the formulas. The first trick is that you need to assume the sum as Sn. Next, you don't simplify these calculations. Again, you need to by heart to that you have to multiply a r to Sn. Why to assume Sn as sum? Next, you have to multiply, you have to remember to multiply this r to Sn. This is the second trick. And the third trick is you have to subtract, you have to do the calculation Sn minus r into Sn, that is 1 minus 2. You have to remember this calculation, and this is the third trick, and this trick not stop still, and you have to do the simplification calculation, and in the simplification also you need to do the tricks. That is, if you are subtract directly like that Sn minus r into Sn, a minus ar minus ar square, you won't get the final formula. In that, so that you need to use a trick that these terms are cancelled in the subtraction calculation. Finally, the simplification steps comes here in the fifth step, Sn minus r into Sn. So you are taking out Sn and finally get the answers. But in R analysis is the only method which gives solution for several problems in just one method. But if you learn all these solutions, all these tricks, it not has to solve other problems like sum of natural numbers, squares and other types similar series. It's only helpful to get this series only. As the result, students need to by heart various tricks for various problems. The only solution is R analysis, which gives automatically solutions. For example, geometric progression, if you just take one number and study, in one step you will get the derivation part. In next step, you have to only simplify the what you are taken in the first step, you just simplify and get the answers automatically. Those who know just 1, 2, 3, 4, they don't need to study this geometric progression derivation. Those who study just 1, 2, 3, 4 using R analysis, they don't need to study these derivations. Means in R analysis, study of one number or one derivations is more than equal to study of several other derivations.